This year, in 2025, working on mobile devices is a pretty good experience. For the last few months, because my main laptop was broken and I was still fixing it, I had to live off my ROG Ally. I would bring it to the office, work on it, then I would come back home, plug it into this super ultra-wide multi-monitor setup to game and to make content. It's able to do that. And that's all possible thanks to two things. First off, I have this. This is the ROG XG Mobile, and it expands the ROG Ally's single USB-C port into, well, everything. I have here 4 USB super speed ports, I have a display port out, I have an HDMI out, I have an RJ45, and even a full-size SD card reader. But despite the name, ironically, it is not very mobile. It's big, it's heavy, and it's expensive. It costs almost as much as the ROG Ally itself because of one very big thing. It also has an RTX 3080 inside. So it's very good in expanding the capabilities of the ROG Ally, but it's not a very sensible product to purchase. Then the other thing is this little thing. This is an Orico 6-in-1 mobile dock. It still expands the ROG Ally's ports. I have 3 high-speed USB 3, an RJ45 port, an HDMI port, and a 100-watt USB-C power delivery port. But it loses out on multi-monitor support that the ROG XG Mobile has, and of course, it doesn't have a GPU in it. But, because of that, it's super cheap. I actually spend more on lunch every day compared to the price of this thing. But for today, I want to talk about something in the middle of these two extremes, and it's this, another product from Orico. This is their 12-in-1 docking station with M.2 SSD enclosure, and we're going to unbox and test it today. Let's go. So here's the Orico 12-in-1 docking station. From the box alone, you can see it can house an NVMe SSD inside. Very excited for that. Opening it up, we get the dock inside a black carry case to protect it from bumps during shipping. That's a nice touch. We also get the user manual and warranty card. Inside the carry case, the dock itself is wrapped in a wax bag. Let's set that aside for now. To connect your device, we get a USB-C to USB-C cable. Since this supports installing an NVMe drive, Orico includes a cooler assembly, a heatsink, a heat shield, and 3 strips of thermal pads in different thicknesses. Note, this assembly only supports 2280 size NVMe SSDs. If you've got a 2230, 2242, or 2260, you can still install it in the dock, but it won't fit this heatsink because the screw won't reach far enough. And lastly, we get 3 toolless mounts for the NVMe drive. You can only use one at a time, but the extras are always nice. And that's everything in the box. Time to take a closer look. But before we continue with the video, let's keep the lights on here in the studio. This video was brought to you by Sneak Attack Design Lab. They're a clothing company that specializes in technical fashion, more commonly known as techwear, and you can see me in their clothes in most of my videos. I've been supporting their brand ever since I met them back in 2019, and now they're returning the favor. Head on over to the link in the description to get 10% off of your order from their site. Check their clothes out. You're bound to see something badass over there that'll look great on you. Thank you very much to Sneak Attack for this exclusive promo for my viewers. Now, back to the video. This is the Orico 12-in-1 docking station. Sleek two-tone design, a bit of weight, mostly metal with plastic panels top and bottom. At the top, a magnetic panel with a wavy design hides the NVMe slot. Toolless mounts slot in easily. Installation is very simple. Slot the SSD in at an angle, secure it with the mount, rotate 90 degrees to lock. Do note that this supports up to 8TB NVMe SSDs. This is really good. For the front ports, we get a full-size SD and microSD card readers, 2 USB-A 5GB per second ports, 1 USB-A 10GB per second port, and a USB-C 10GB per second port. Very, very versatile. At the back, we get a 3.5mm unified headphone and mic jack, an RJ45 Ethernet port, then HDMI and DisplayPort, which can do 8K 30 when it's a single display, and 4K 60 when it's in dual display mode. Then we get the PC in port, this is where you're going to plug in your device, and a USB-C 100-watt PD port. That last one is important. It lets you charge your device and, in the case of the ROG Ally, unlock the full 35-watt boost mode while docked. At the bottom, we see vents along the edges because inside is an active fan to cool the internals and of course that NVMe drive, which can get very hot. So yeah, that's the product tour. Time to set it up. If you're into the product I'm featuring in this video, I've tagged it in the YouTube shopping section down below so you can check it out directly. Or if you're looking for discount codes, head to the Linktree shop in the description. Filipino viewers will find a group of links to Shopee and global viewers will find a group of links to Amazon. Just a heads up, these are affiliate links, so any earnings go straight into supporting the channel and helping me make more content like this. Thanks for being here. For testing, I docked it into my secondary rig. This desk is already wired for Ethernet and dual display, so it's just a matter of swapping out the cables. I powered the dock with a 100-watt USB-C charging brick from ROG, and the NVMe drive that I'm going to be using with this we already installed earlier. So yeah, all I needed to do was plug my mouse and keyboard into the front USB-A ports. Connecting the ROG Ally is simple, just plug the PC-in cable to its USB-C port. And here we go. Dual displays running at full speed, no fuss. The NVMe drive mounts instantly. Plus, both SD card slots can be read at the same time. And yeah, as we can see here, we can fire up a game and the Ally accesses its full 35-watt boost mode, which requires at least a 65-watt power supply. So yeah, this works perfectly. This is a very capable docking station in a very small package. Color me impressed, Orico. So, what do we think about the Orico 12-in-1 docking station with NVMe Enclosure? At $67 or around 4,399 Philippine pesos, it's a fantastic dock that expands your mobile devices. I only demoed it with the ROG Ally, but it'll work with laptops, phones, tablets, even desktops if you want to use the NVMe Enclosure or the card readers. As long as it has USB-C, you can dock it here. In a world full of powerful but underutilized USB-C devices, this is exactly what a lot of us need. So yeah, good job, Orico. This is going to live on this desk now. If you like the Orico 12-in-1 docking station and want to get one for yourself, check the description. I've put affiliate links there. Each purchase supports the channel and helps ensure more content like this gets made. While you're there, comment your thoughts, give this video a like, and subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.